Ashley here, and this is the look we're going to be creating today. I'm first going to start out by prepping my eyes using the Pacifica Dreamlit Glow Concealer, setting that in place with translucent powder, then dipping into the shade Petal from the Sigma Hazy palette with a Sigma E25 Max blending brush. And then I'm focusing that in the outer corner of the eye. I'm creating a sideways V shape in that outer corner, following the upward slope of my lower lash line, and then curving inwards following the crease, just really blending out all those edges. And then I'm pulling it a little bit into the crease area. We want this to be our transition shade. This is going to act as the background shade to the color we're going to apply next to add a little bit more depth in the outer corner. This is what it should look like when you're done blending. Dipping into the shade Vervain with an E25 blending brush, focusing this color lower into the outer corner, maintaining that V shape. Here I'm just packing this color on, and then using what's left on the brush to start blending out, sweeping it inwards towards the center of the eye, and then here I am just kind of cleaning up that outer corner, maintaining that V shape, and then sweeping it inwards following the curve of the crease, just blending the two shades together. So we want Vervain and Petal to look kind of seamless together, like so. And then you can go back in with the E25 Max blending brush to further blend this out as needed. You really want to make sure you blend out any harsh lines. This is what it looked like when I was done blending. Next, I'm dipping into the shade Dainty with an E54 sweeper brush, and I'm sweeping this onto the front portion of the lid and then feathering it into the shades in the outer corner, and then bringing it down into the inner corner and sweeping it kind of onto that lower lash line area. With an E06 liner brush, I'm dipping into the shade Melancholy and lining my upper lash line. Starting in the inner corner, I'm kind of stamping and sweeping this on, making the line about the thickness of the brush in the inner corner, and then gradually making this line thicker as I make my way towards the outer corner. I want the front portion to be very sharp, and then we're going to blend out that outer corner to make it look smoky. So make sure you're very precise on this inner corner area. So here I am just kind of cleaning it up a little bit. With the Sigma E30 brush, I'm smoking out that outer corner, just using the tip of the brush to use little circular motions to blend this upwards and outwards, maintaining that V shape again in the outer corner. And then I'm adding an inner corner wing with the Chocolate Better Than Sex liner from Too Faced, adding a little bit of the Huda Beauty black eyeliner to my waterline. And then I'm smoking that out a little bit with Vervain in the E06 brush from Sigma, setting the liner in place and then smoking out that lower lash line a little bit, but keeping it tight to the lashes, like so. Curling my lashes, and then a couple light coats of the Pacifica Stellar Gaze mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Next, gluing on a pair of falsies to the underside of my lashes, the style Understated from Velour Lashes, and that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll link everything down below in the description. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!